Okay, I think this is, nope, it doesn't want to hook up. Hold on, let me get this. There we go. Okay, so in number 5, we have, sorry for my poor drawings, but we have a person pushing a broom, poking themselves in the nose apparently, and their force is making so they're kind of like sweeping it this way, and their force is making an angle of 60 degrees with the horizontal. Does that sound like what it said?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Oh,
So,
60 from the ground. Wait, it is 60 from the ground, right?
yes.
Oh.
Okay. So, if we were to do a free body diagram, or more like a vector diagram, we could say that gravity is going down for the broom. There's a normal force going up, and there's a force going down and to the right of the push. Yes? Okay. And which way is the displacement? Right. To the right. Okay. So, if the angle is being made at 60 degrees with the floor, then it would also be 60 degrees with the displacement because of two parallel lines cut by a transverse line and alternate interior angles being congruent. Okay. I'm going to be really quick and kind of snarky here and say that the normal force and mg do no work. So I'm like going to just ignore them because they're both perpendicular to the displacement. All right. And I believe it was like the work done by the girl or the push. Wasn't that the question?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. Yeah.
So if we go back to our idea of what would be the force of the push times d times the cosine of the angle would be the work of the push. So the force of the push was, I believe, 30 newtons. The displacement was 2.6 meters, and this would be the cosine of 60 degrees. Can someone grab a calculator to do this for me? Because I don't have, my calculators are dead and charging right now. 30 times 2.6.
Yeah, 39. Which is the answer.
39 point what?
Just 39.
It's 39 exactly? Oh yeah, okay. And that would be joules. Does that make sense to everybody? All right. Then I am going to do 6B first before we do 6A. Okay. And I know that sounds weird, but that has to do with the fact that I'm going to do this on the white space here. And for 6A, I have an actual like PowerPoint slide. So I'm going to do it there. All right. So 6B, it wants to know the work done by gravity as the car experiences a force and moves. So if all we care about is the force of gravity, then all we need to do is draw in the force of gravity. And I am then going to draw in the force of the displacement. So the work done by gravity would equal the force of gravity times d times the cosine. What's the angle? 90. And it's 90 degrees. The cosine of 90 degrees is 0, and anything times 0 is 0. Do you need to write it as 0.0? No. Do I? Yes. Why? Because otherwise I look at it and I'm like, why does it say orange juice? That is my own personal problem. Please do not carry that with you. Okay. Are we good here? Does that help? All right.